Need to let that potato shine.
Wow.
It's sinfully gorgeous.
Just like you are.
Because the way you make your potatoes tells a lot about how you are. Welcome to a new episode with Pasta Queen, Pasta Bro. Today we're making Nonna's roasted potatoes.
Potatoes.
There's a few tricks, but let's see how they come out. We want them crunchy, we want them moist but crunchy, with a little bit of flavor, not bland, enough salt, just gorgeous. Ingredients. Before you start prepping your potatoes, make sure you preheat the oven at 390. We're using Yukon Gold potatoes. They're nice and juicy, they're yellow, they're golden. They're called Yukon Gold for a reason.
Yeah.
So now what we want to do is take this plate and give it to your brother. Can you go and get me the chef knife? Ago, be fast. One of the most important tricks. Well, it's not a trick, it's a tip. Trick or tip. You want to cut your potatoes about the same size so that they cook evenly in the oven, just like Nonna used to make. Vero Ago?
Certo.
Just say it.
Yeah, so that they cook evenly. That's what you're
You
aiming.
do like a giant piece and then a small piece.
One is gonna be burned and the other one is not gonna be cooked.
So we're adding the water to the potatoes. Use a bowl, whatever you like. We're going to submerge them into water for about 20 minutes. Why? We're taking the starches out so that they become a little bit more crispy and less mushy. So that's what we're gonna do. 20 minutes underwater. So I wanna show you the amount of starches that the potatoes release. It's quite incredible. You're gonna wanna release that starch so that when you put them in the oven to bake, they're not too mushy and they develop a little bit of more of a crunch. It's a little tip from Nonna, eh? So satisfying. I waited about 15-20 minutes and now I even washed them. Really get rid of all that extra starch. Now we've drained them and I'm even gonna pat them dry. I don't want any like release of extra fluid so that they get mushy. Get your bowl back, let's put them back in and I'm gonna show you one last tip to make the best potatoes. Now, you want to make sure that they're fully coated with extra virgin olive oil and aromatics. Today we're doing extra virgin olive oil, rosemary, not too much. You know, it's so strong, the rosemary, but you want to infuse it a little bit. And a heavy pinch of salt. Now you want to toss them about really well. You want to mix everything together so that they're fully coated. I use a bowl because I want to contain them so that I can go around it and all the ingredients are getting mingled with each other. If you do it on a flat surface, it's not gonna happen. You're gonna get your hands all dirty. Instead, in a bowl, what? Nothing happened. Everything gets coated evenly everywhere, every crevice. We got a nice baking tray. I love this stainless steel. They're like restaurant quality, right?
Sí.
I love this. We're gonna stick it in the oven for how long?
45 minutes.
Good. All
Yeah.
right. Put them in the tray and now you spread them out evenly. Each one of them has to have their own little place in the tray. And then, last final tip, we use the whole garlic, including the peel. We're tossing it in whole. Why? It's gonna release the essence, but it's not going to burn. This way it protects it while releasing all its essence. You do not want burnt garlic. Okay, these are ready to go in the oven. Make sure it's at 390 and it's only 45 minutes. Obviously keep an eye, toss them every once in a while. So there you go, let's put them in. It's been 45 minutes, they're out of the oven and they look incredible. Crunchy. You see all that starch that was sticking out? You see the garlic? Didn't burn, still inside. It's time to plate it. Brother test.
The best ones.
You know, you see the rosemary, the garlic, very simple, extra virgin olive oil. Nothing too pretentious. It's perfect. That's all you need. You need to let that potato shine.
Wow.
Now, if you don't want the person to stay, do not make this dish.
Or to come back again.
Thank you so much. We're gonna go and eat this roasted potatoes so well.
Subscribe!
Subscribe to our channel. And remember to press the little bell so that you get notified the moment a recipe comes out. Remember, you are amazing. And so are
Always we. Yes.
The big dilemma is it potato or potato?
O potato.
Cazzo ho detto? Potato, potato. Ma che cazzo sto dicendo? Too much potatoes are getting in my head.